In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Alibaba account. Whether you're looking to start a new business, expand your existing one, or simply explore the vast array of products available on Alibaba, having your own account is the first step. It's simple, straightforward, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to alibaba.com. Once there, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Join Free. Go ahead and click on that to begin the sign-up process. Now that you're on the registration page, you have a few options for how you'd like to sign up. If you prefer the traditional route, you can use your email address. Alternatively, for a quicker login experience, you can opt to sign up using an existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Choose the option that best suits your needs and proceed. Let's suppose you've chosen to sign up with your email address. The next step will be to fill in your personal details. Start by entering your email, followed by a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure to protect your account. Alibaba will also ask you for your country or region. Select the one that applies to you. While it's optional, you might also want to specify your business type. Providing this information can help tailor your Alibaba experience, especially if you're using the platform for business purposes. Once all your information is filled out, it's time to proceed by clicking on Agree and Register. This confirms that you've accepted Alibaba's terms and are ready to become a member of their global buying and selling community. An important step afterward is email verification. You'll need to check your inbox for a confirmation email from Alibaba. It might take a few minutes, and if you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folders just in case. Once you've found the email, click on the link provided to verify your email address. This step is crucial as it activates your account and allows you to fully access Alibaba's services. Congratulations, you now have an Alibaba account ready to explore the extensive marketplace and connect with suppliers and buyers worldwide. Remember, Alibaba offers a wide range of tools and services to help you find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's sourcing products or selling your own. Thank you for watching this guide on creating an Alibaba account. We hope you found it helpful and are now ready to make the most of what Alibaba has to offer. Happy trading!